Hi there. As of the recording of this video, if you log into GenSpark AI, even if you have a free account, you'll see that there's an introduction to a new element in GenSpark. For AI docs, there is a video that you can play, as well as a link that you can click. We're going to take a look at a few seconds of the video.
You can choose from hundreds of stunning designs, all free and crafted by professional designers.
So you'll want to take a look at the video. We're going to click on AI docs. We're going to start with a prompt and we're going to write in what it is that we want to create. And once we have typed in our prompt, we're then going to click create and we're going to allow GenSpark to create our AI document. You're going to see that GenSpark is going to create the document in front of you in real time. You'll see the coding as it is happening on the left side menu, and then on the right side, you will eventually see that GenSpark will put together what it is that you will be asking for. And you'll see the final document on the right-hand side. Now what you'll notice is that this document was generated from information on the web. We could have influenced the document by uploading our own document in order to create the new document here on the right side menu. Once we've created the document, we can click on the download button. We can then export the document as an HTML. We can export it as a Word document, or we can export it as a PDF. For the sake of this video, we're going to export it as a Word document. You can create your own document or document template using GenSpark AI, and you can then use that document inside of your favorite word processing software. We are using a free version of Microsoft Word in our browsers. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.